Let's look at the audio player by Crocoblock for their JetElements add-on for Elementor. You can go up here and you just type audio and you will see there's a few that you can get from all of them, and then the audio player is the one that will come from the JetElements add-on. It's going to appear like this, and the first thing we want to do is connect it to an audio file. I keep it on self-hosted. There is one for external, which you can enter a URL, but you might as well then make it self-hosted, depending, of course, on your hosting capabilities. I've uploaded a file here from a band called Sablon, and this song is called Soga. And then, just to show you, it can play, and it can play very nicely. The first thing I want to show you is the background. And when I mean background is this blue one, because for some reason Crocoblock put this on a very strange place. Instead of under style, they put it under advanced. I have no idea why it is under advanced. It's something that should go back under style. I don't know why it's under advanced. I searched myself 2 moons ago to find this, and then I gave up. I was about to go log a complaint or log a bug, and then I found it here under the advanced. So background type, let's change the color to show you that the color can change. Then under style, what you've got here is you can change the size of this player and you can center align it. And then you have all the normal styling options for this play button, your time duration, your progress bar, and your volume settings. And this is all about typography, color, padding, shading, and those kind of things. There's nothing unique about these features in here. They all relate to the color typography of this audio player. The only other thing worth mentioning for this is that you can play around with what you can see and what you don't want to see, like the progress bar. If I remove that, you will see the progress bar is removed. What you see over here is the volume bar, and this is over here, and the volume bar currently looks like this, so you can drag it lower and higher. I like this one, vertical. This is very standard. If I click now on it, you will see it has the slider up and down. I prefer the vertical slider. And then you have the other features to display, like the current time, the duration time, the volume, hide volume on touch devices, and then you can also set your start volume. So not to scare people out of their pajamas, you can put it around at 0.3 or 0.4, 50%, then it doesn't start at such a loud volume. You can hear that one is much lower than it used to be. And that is the audio player. So again, I just want to say I haven't found a function for this. Maybe podcast, maybe a sermon from church. That could be an idea that you have recorded something like that. I'm starting to think of possibilities. If you've ever used the audio player, please leave a comment. I would love to know what you've done with it, because sometimes my ideas may be very limited. And when I get feedback from other people, like, aha, I could do that as well. What I would like to see in the future in terms of audio is a media player. Now, what we mean by media player will include something like a playlist that I can actually add 6 or 7 tracks here and sort them into a playlist, and they will automatically play, so that if somebody comes to my website and they play one song, they can leave it there and it will go on to the next song, the next song, the next song. A playlist. That is a grand idea, isn't it? Thank you for watching the video. This is JP here with Websites for Beginners.